Welcome to Back to Basics. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can conduct data collaboration with partners without sharing or revealing underlying data sets with AWS Clean Rooms. I often work with customers who are looking to securely combine and analyze sensitive data sets from different sources without compromising privacy and compliance standards. As an example, let's consider the following scenario. There are three companies, a popular sneaker brand, a market research firm, and a digital advertising platform. They are collaborating on an upcoming marketing campaign study. They need to share and collaborate on the same data set to measure the impact of a marketing campaign on their brand recognition and if it boosts sales. To conduct this study, the brand needs the digital advertising platform and the market research firm to combine their data sets. However, privacy and security compliance require that private data is not shared with partners. First, let's start by looking at how private data exchange is a challenge. Protecting data is critical, and data owners do not want to collaborate with partners if they can't protect their data sets. Data owners want to understand how their data set's being used, ensure its proper use, and avoid any potential risk of data leakage. As a result, they may often need to choose not to collaborate while missing out on important business opportunities. Let's walk through this with our sneaker brand study example. For the marketing campaign, the digital ad platform and the market research firms need to combine their data sets. By doing so, they can determine if there's enough overlap in their customer data sets to perform the analysis. This is done through aggregate queries, which help identify common data points without exposing raw data such as hashed IP addresses, email addresses, or IDs. Partners often perform aggregate queries like count, first to determine whether they have sufficient overlap for a full study before proceeding with further data sharing. Based on the results of the aggregate count, both the digital ad platform and the market research firm can join their data sets to perform further aggregate queries, such as the average brand favorability and the purchase intent scores for those who viewed ads and those who did not. This data gives the sneaker brand valuable insights into the effectiveness of their advertising strategies and its impact on its brand. To do this, the firms would need to find a platform that makes it easier to collaborate on data sets and apply dataset access controls, query output restrictions, and query auditing. This process may entail a substantial amount of work just for the setup. Now let's explore how you can utilize AWS Clean Rooms. AWS Clean Rooms is a service that enables data owners and partners to securely analyze and collaborate on collective data sets without revealing your underlying data set. You can control the data associated, how data is aggregated, and how data is joined, and the granularity of the results. You can configure and associate your AWS Glue table while specifying privacy controls called analysis rules within your AWS Clean Room. Once the analysis rules are set, you can specify where query results are saved within your S3 bucket. Let's review how you can set up AWS Clean Rooms to do a dataset collaboration. There are four main steps to setting up AWS Clean Rooms. First, one of the collaboration members creates a collaboration and invites other members. Then, all members create configured tables, which contain the reference to the dataset stored in Amazon S3, and analysis rules that determine how the dataset can be used within the collaboration. Next, all collaborators then associate their dataset within the collaboration. Finally, once the dataset has been associated, the collaboration member with the permission to run the analysis can then run queries. In addition, collaborations within AWS Clean Rooms must occur within the same region. Once everything is set up, the partner with the query execution permissions can start running queries within AWS Clean Rooms. The output goes directly into a specified location in your S3 bucket where it can be visualized and used for further analysis without anyone having access to anyone else's raw data set. Here's the important thing. No raw data is moved when associating these tables. Rather, each participant is giving permission for access only for the purposes of performing the analysis. Dataset collaboration with AWS Clean Rooms can be done with multiple partners. You can have multiple parties in a collaboration, allowing you to collaborate and protect data across several partner datasets. AWS Clean Rooms is ideal for use cases where the dataset is structured and the privacy of data is a main factor. If data is unstructured or does not have privacy constraints, other services such as AWS Lake Formation, AWS Data Exchange, or Amazon Redshift data sharing may be better suited. There you have it, protected and simplified dataset collaboration with AWS Clean Rooms. Check out the links in the description below for more details. Thanks for watching Back to Basics. See you next time.